Hello volunteers, this is Liz, Operations Coordinator. I thought this week I would talk a little bit about urchins since we now have purple, red, and green urchins in our Marine Life Center. These urchins prefer rocky habitats where they are found from Alaska all the way down to Mexico. These urchins are covered in the really classic spines that we think of when we think of urchins, but in between those spines there are also a lot of tube feet that you can see in this video here. Those tube feet are really similar to sea stars tube feet. Here's another great clip because they are in the same family, Echinodermata. And these tube feet help the urchins to move around, but they can also use these tube feet to smell and taste the water. So go ahead when you're at the MLC and encourage guests to touch the urchins. They are safe to touch. They kind of just feel like toothpicks. And here is a video of me touching a red sea urchin up at Salt Creek State Park. You can kind of see those spines moving to give my finger a little hug. And then here is a great video showing the differences between purple and red sea urchins. The previous clip was of a green sea urchin. They're pretty similarly named just due to their colors. This is another really great video where you can kind of see the differences in the lengths of spines and the colorations. But feel free to check out some of these urchins at the Marine Life Center Wednesday through Sunday, 11 to 6, and encourage guests to not be afraid of them. They are very wonderful creatures. All right, have a good day.